Hello, welcome to Be Yoga Connection. I'm Master Energy Medicine Yoga Teacher Brittany, and today we have a short 5-minute flow for improving digestion. So let's get started. Let's take a few breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. One more. Return to the natural breath. We're going to start by resetting two really important valves in our digestive tract, the Ileocecal and Houston valves. So we're going to take bear claws. We're going to make little bear claws with our hands. We're going to find the pubic bone and we're going to find the hip bone. We're going to go about an inch above the pubic bone, and we want our pinky to be just inside of the hip bone. On each inhale, we're going to push in and pull the fingertips up to the bottom of the ribs. So inhale, push in, pull up, exhale. Inhale, push in, pull up, exhale, release. One more, exhale, release. Bring the fingertips into a fist and find the bottom of the ribs. On the exhale, we're going to push in and down to our starting point. Inhale, exhale, push in and down, release the hands from the body. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, full forward fold, Celtic weave, drawing figure eights down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, tracing spleen, fingertips to big toes, back to the inside ankle bone, insides of the legs, out at the waist, up the torso to shoulders, and back down underneath the armpits. Shake it off. Ileocecal Houston valve, reset once more. And this is so important because we're synchronizing these valves so that they're working properly for good elimination. So let's do it one more time. Bring your fingertips into a bear claw, just above the pubic bone, pinky fingers on the inside of the hip. Inhale, push in, pull up. Exhale, release. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Fingertips into a fist, find the bottom of the ribs. Inhale, exhale, push in and down. Shake it off. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, tracing spleen, fingertips to big toes, back to the inside ankle bone, insides of the legs, out at the waist, up the torso, and down underneath the armpits. Shake it off. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Start to sink the sit bones to the ground. And maybe the hands reach for the ground, or maybe they stay up at heart center, giving the digestive tract a little bit of a massage here. Let's stay for 3 more breaths. Release the hands to the ground. Release the knees to the ground. Kick the heels out to one side or the other. And come to seat. Legs out long in front of you to Dandasana. Awesome. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips, reaching for the toes. Now notice where the hands meet the body. Are the fingertips meeting the toes? Are the hands on the calves? Just notice where you're at right now. If you need to bend the knees to get the fingertips to the big toes, do so. And we're going to trace back to the inside ankle bone, insides of the legs, out at the waist, up the torso, back down underneath the armpits. Shake that off. We're going to give a little space between the feet here. We're going to take it into a massage on the thighs, massaging our neurolymphatics of the small and large intestine. So if you tend towards constipation, I want you to massage from the hip down to the knee, both side seams of the thigh, from hip to knee for constipation. If you tend towards loose stools, we're going to go from the knee to the hip for loose stools. Now, if you're pretty natural and pretty regular, go both ways. So let's go ahead and make fists and start to massage, and massage deeply here. So constipation, hip to knee. Loose stools, knee to hip. Pretty regular, go both directions. And this is going to be a little sore. This is going to be a little painful. And of course, if you have any bruising here, definitely skip those bruises. We don't want to inflict any true pain here. And then work your way over to the other leg. Same thing, same concept. So from the knee to the hip for loose stools, from hip to knee for constipation, and both directions for pretty neutral, natural elimination. And nice and deep here. Perfect, shake that off. Bring the feet back together. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips, reach for the toes. And notice if you went any further this time, so after releasing toxins from the lymphatic system, just notice here if you're any farther down on the body than you were previously. Perfect, and let's trace spleen, fingertips to big toes, back to the inside ankle bone, insides of the legs, out at the waist, torso to shoulders, back down underneath the armpits. Shake it off. And come to an easy seat. And take a couple of recentering breaths. Thank you for joining me for this short 5-minute improving digestion flow. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more yoga videos like this, and then hit the bell so that you're notified of all new videos. See you soon. Stay connected.